Hello everyone. So this is the project that I have built. I will be telling you the problem statement that why I built this project. After that in the flow I will tell you what this project does. So in today's world the information is circulating so fast for each and every field, whether it's finance, medicine, programming, AI, and for the person to actually retrieve that information it is getting very difficult because the information is available out there, but the sources are so vast that the person gets confused that which source to use and what roadmap to use to learn that topic and master that. And to be honest, user or the person only waste its time on finding the best sources and a roadmap out there. So what I thought is, what if we automate the process of finding the sources and building the curriculum or the roadmap for the person, and person does not waste its time on finding those but learning that topic. So this is what my project does. I have built Adaptive Minds, the self-learning agent. Why Adaptive Minds? Because it adapts to the user so beautifully and so smoothly that even the user can't uh, feel that it is getting adapted to you. And now coming to the features, what it does is the user only has to give the topic which he or she wants to study, to till what level wants to study that topic, why to study that topic, and if sources, it can give the sources or it can let the agent web scrape the sources on its own, and that web scraping doesn't uh, uh, feels random. What happens is all the sources which is getting scraped is go is passed to the quality gate, and that quality gate actually checks that is the sources relevant enough for building the knowledge base. If it is, then it is accepted, or else that source is rejected. So it is very smart feature in my project. Second is it actually builds the curriculum for you. Curriculum like the digital book itself. For example, you have module 1, and in that module 1 you have sub concepts, then you have module 2, and so on. So all this happens automatically for the user. Third is after building the curriculum, the agent teaches you, like you get the chat section, and in that chat section you can chat with the agent will teach you, and the agent will get adapted to you according to your responses very smoothly. Also you can generate the flashcards for the particular concept that you are studying. So as we do in real life, this agent also does that. Fifth, after completing every module, the notes for that module is automatically generated for you, and those notes are also adapted to you, to your language, to your the way of learning. And also the report is generated based on how you perform in that particular module. So this is the login page. This login page is not yet developed. Of course, this is the MVP project for now. You give it the random password and email, get the login. So here you have to give the topic. Here you have to give till what level you want to learn the topic. What I want to add is the front end I have designed is inspired by the nature and biophilic. Why? Because today's learning platform feels so much modernized, and due to that modernization, the user gets distracted very easily. And my UI UX is very simple and easy to focus on to learning the thing, not get distracted by any of the different stuff out there. So this is the level page, till what level you want to learn the topic. This is the page where you give the reason why you want to learn the topic, and this is the page where you let the uh, agent web scrape on itself, or you can provide the sources. This is the web scrape page. So here you can see that it is web scraping. The agent is web scraping that particular source, and it is going to the through the quality gate. And source accepted means it has passed the quality gate and it has been added to your knowledge base. And the sources are scraped till the agent feels that is this knowledge base sufficient for the topic and the level. If it is not, then it will continue the web scraping. Here we can see the curriculum is being generated automatically for you, and this curriculum is very smartly built. And once you enter the sanctuary, means the chat section, here you will start your learning. So if you understood the particular concept, you then jump to the next concept. Here you can generate the flashcard for you. Here you can also get the reports and notes after the completion of every module. It is generated automatically, and also for the flashcards. So it is showing no flashcards yet and reports. So these are the pre-saved notes for me, which you can also download PDF from this. And similarly for the reports, you can also get the downloadable PDF format. So the notes and reports are completely detailed. Here you can download the PDF format of the notes and the reports. Thank you. So this was my project, and the main goal was to only decrease the time, which is very important for the person to actually learn not just the new topic but also important topics very fastly. Thank you.